Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to make a Gamepass in HD admin or Kohl in Roblox. First, let's download HD admin. Click OK. We'll remove this. Next, go here and edit the script in settings. We need to add our ID to the Gamepasses. For this, we go to the browser. Here, go to Creator Hub, then Creations. Enter the world we need. Click Manage Location. Here's Passes, then Create Pass. Now create your own pass. Okay, name it whatever you want. Write what it gives, commands, all features. Click Create Pass, select it, copy its ID. Oops. Click three dots, copy pass ID, paste it here. For example, it gives admin access, right? That's how it's done. For SOAS admin, go to the model and type Kohl's admin. We add it too. Click OK. Now remove this. Didn't get that. Or move it. Doesn't matter. Now, let's open our part. It's in the config. Here's settings, it's slightly different here. Look for VIP and permissions. You can put our ID here. That's all, folks. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good life, good luck, and goodbye, everyone.